How to use this AI Dreamface app. First, you need to download it from your Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. So once you do that, let's just open the app. From here, you can try your photos for free, or you can skip this step. For now, I'm just gonna try these photos. So let's do this. If you want this app to have access to your media, you can do it, but if you don't want it, you can just tap on don't allow. So once you do this, you can choose from these default photos right here, these stock images right here, if you don't want the app to have your access to your phone's media. So I'm just gonna tap on this stock image right here and tap on animate. Now it's reconstructing the face, so it's animating, and let's wait for it to complete. Now, as you can see, the face has now been animated and it's moving. So once you do that, you can simply save it if you want, or you can share it to your social media by tapping here, or you can redo the song if you like. You can change the song from here. You can do this with any photo you have on your phone or the stock images that are available in the app. That's how you use the Dreamface app. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.